Oh, God damn it, it gets me.
Hey Brian, explain to me the science.
I feel like I've done this before.
Yeah, you have. You have done it before.
Why is this not charging well?
But you still have to explain it every single time.
So I have to generate an electric field, in this case electrostatic. Running the field through this nail, it'll absorb the charge.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
You can hear that.
Yeah, and like what we're trying to do is, which it is successful, but we're gonna go put it on video now, and it's like once we get this, we're gonna connect the electricity through each other, and it actually does work.
What?
It actually does. So like if I'm holding on to the bottle, and then Brian, like here, we'll just show it, and it'll make sense.
Basic Leyden jar, it's a capacitor. Capacitors store a charge. In this case, it's a parallel capacitor, aluminum foil on the outside acting as a plate, salt water on the inside acting as the other plate. We are completing the circuit. So essentially, if one person holds one of the plates and I hold on to the top of the nail, it should technically release a charge.
To both people.
That was only the person that touched the nail. I was wrong.
Yeah, dude, that scared the shit out of me. Alright, so Brian and I were about to like hold hands.
You think hindi maligo, meaning that they
shower.
didn't shower? Oh, this is such a nice camera.
Alright.
What the fuck?
Okay, so
Yeah, they're holding hands.
So, just an example, I'm not gonna get shocked right now.
yeah. Alright, yeah, he's not gonna get shocked until I hold on to it, and then he does it, and then we're both gonna get shocked.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Because we're acting as one person technically right now.
Yeah, we are completing the circuit.
Alright, okay, I'm holding on.
Oh god. Oh! God damn it, it gets me every. Oh! Oh!
Yep, yep, I felt it.
That one traveled up pretty far.
Yeah, okay, so, oh shit. It like traveled from here and then, oh man, everywhere.
Oh, no.
Alright, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, it works.